is the CMI rapid temperature furnace. As you can see, we got a nice glow in here from our heating elements. Okay, down here we replaced the temperature controller to a Wattlow F4, which is very easy to use. It has like 32 parameters that you can add into it, so it can do its ramp at different temperatures. Over here is your amp output that tells you how many amps the system's currently using. And then you have your over temp controller that tells you just as a safety feature so it doesn't go over temp. Down below here is your master power on, and then you just have your reset over temp switch. On the back here, we basically have the water lines. This is your main power going to your heaters, and then we have your water lines that cool down the outside of the chamber and the door. The door gasket has a silicone O-ring on it, so you need to make sure they stay cool. And of course they got ran into a chiller, which is sold separately.
Take a picture of the door too.